Okay, I got a couple of packages in today. One is from Aaron. He sent me a Corbin Rushwin lock to make a challenge lock out of. This is a blank key. It does work, so you know this lock has never been put in service. He also sent a Yale 6-pin. This is the bitting on the key, and this is the opposite side Yale than what I've had in the past. And he's also sent a calls this a Federal. Says it's a strange one. He did send a couple of keys with it. It does work. This is bitting on the lock. Looks like a 6-pin. Anyway, we're going to make challenge locks out of this Corbin Rushwin, and we'll get around to opening these two locks one day. I also received a little package from Jeff. He sent me some keys for Yale bicentric locks. These keys work perfect for what I need them for in the bicentric locks. So I appreciate this. So thanks to Aaron and Jeff. I appreciate them sending me all this supplies. Okay, I have a Sesamee series 900, I believe it is. Not sure what series that is, but it's a Sesamee 5-pin lock. I believe it's a 900. Okay, it's part number 90115, whatever that means. So anyway, established 1882. Been around a while. See what the... Okay, it doesn't have any number on it, so maybe it's not a 900 or a 9000. Okay, it does work. It's 5-pin. It's not a key retaining lock. You can remove the key after it's once open. This is a bitting on the key, and it is locked up, so I'm going to put it in the vise and go from there. My hands are not what they used to be. As soon as I get this lock done, I'm going to Louisiana. Okay, we'll use top of the keyway with this small tension wrench. Let's try this pick, see what we can do with it. There's pin 5, pin 4, pin 2, I believe, pin 3, pin 2. Let's go back to the bottom. Okay, there it is, open. Okay, that was pin 1 and 2, and that was pin 3 then. Okay, Sesamee must have taken pointers from Master Lock. See if we can gut this thing right quick. I'm on my way to Louisiana as I finish this lock. Be back tomorrow. Okay. got a key, so if we lock it back up, we can still get in it. See if we can get this clip off. Let's go ahead and lock it up so we can get the clip off a little easier. Maybe. And maybe not. Take longer to get this ridiculous clip off than it does to open the lock. There it is. Okay, let's open it up. Alright, it's got 6 holes, only 5 pins in the lock. And it doesn't have a 6 hole here for a 6 pin. Alright, let's slide it out. Getting a little frustrated with this lock. Let's turn it here a little different. Okay, there we go. Okay, all 5 pins working. Before I put this back together, I'm going to put another hole here for a 6 pin if the plug has a spot in it. If it doesn't, we'll just leave it 5 pins. Okay, nothing has been changed about the plug. It's a new lock. So let's take the top pins out. Take a look at them. Okay, there's pin 1. Pin 2. Okay, looks like a standard pin at the front, steel pin, anti-drill pin, and the rest of them looks like they're going to be spools. Okay, nothing has been changed up about the plug, and it does have a 6 slot in here, so I'll drill a hole in the plug and put an extra pin in it. Make it a little more secure. Okay, on these you just have a serrated pin in number 1, serrated pin in number 3, serrated pin in number 4. This is a steel pin. This is a spool, and This is looks like a slightly tapered pin on each end. Number 5 is a spool, and just a standard pin. Okay, that's what we have in this Sesamee 5-pin lock. Appreciate your time. Thank you for watching. Please stay out of trouble, and please do not do anything illegal. And thank you again.